Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Hi Bo, Umacele, while she refused to go on a family trip, well, it's not as if she refused. She's been refusing for the past few years to go on any Mselego family trip. But listen, she invites Usamke and they are out on a date, doing a girl's girl type of date. I'm just like, Macele kanjani, you missed out on a family trip to meet up with the number 5. Hayi Macele, I know it's her choice, you guys, but it's just dodge. It's giving dodgy vibes. It's giving vibes, Yoguti. I don't want to hang around with the other wives, but I don't mind hanging around with number 5. It's giving vibes. I don't have time for family drama, but I have time for number 5. It's giving vibes, Yoguti number 5. Ngifuna ukusondeza eduze. I'm just like, guy, Macele, I know ukuthi to umusa izomjabulisa lokho or leyo nto, but to otherwise I would be offended to say the least. But anyway, we see them out and about, Usamkebe no Macele, and it's nice there. And Usamke's like, can I ask a question? Yo, people are just like Usamke akayeke isilungu bandla, akayeke isilungu owasemzumbe, umfana sekamthathile umthandile, so she doesn't need to impress anyone. I'm like, animyekeni Usamke, if Usamke, even if owasemzumbe bandla, if she wants to speak isilungu, speak ishe bandla. And people are just like, no, her English is not good. We are forced that even in the information, even in the English is not Englishing. I'm just like, how guys kodwa? Why ninja? Anyway, then she asked about Mtembeni's father. I guess she's trying to get to know her man's much more better through Umamkulu and all of that. I don't know. But anyway, it does look like it was cute type of vibes. And we'll see on tonight's episode, what was this meeting really about, out and about Nosamke. And let's get you from Mamkulu or lonely, or what was going on for her to take Nosamke out of all people. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.